morning, girls. I'm taking up the same exercise 9.1 till yesterday I completed question number 7. Today I will take up the next two questions, and that is question number 8 and question number 9, right? And the eighth question says that there's a statue which stands on the top of a pedestal. Now, pedestal is a base, or yes, it is a base on which a statue stands. So, a statue which is the height of 1.6 meter tall, it stands on the top of the pedestal. From the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. So, what I told you is, see, there's a statue of height 1.6 meter tall, which is standing on a pedestal. I told you pedestal is a base on which the statue is standing. Now the point on the ground, make two angles, one at the top of the statue and one at the top of the pedestal. Angle over here is 60 degree, here 45 degree, and then we have to find the height of the pedestal. So the diagram will look like this. That is, if I say here that this is a pedestal and a statue standing on it, right? There's a point on the ground which is making two angles. One angle is made by the same point at the top of the statue, and here the second angle is made by the same point from the top of the pedestal. Okay, so children, it has to be a straight line, right? Okay, now this is A, B, C, D, right angle here. This angle which is made by the top of the pedestal to this point is 45 degree, and the whole angle from the top of the statue to the point is 60 degree, right? The height of the statue is 1.6 meter tall. We have to find the height of the pedestal. So I will suppose this to be x, and I will take the distance from C to D as y. Okay, to find the answer for x, let us first take the triangle BCD. Okay, when I take triangle BCD, I can take tan of 45 degree is equal to opposite upon adjacent. That will give me x upon y, right? Now you know that tan 45 is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to x upon y. Therefore, y is equal to x, or we can say x is equal to y. Equation number 1. Now to consider the second part, ACD, that is triangle ACD, I will again take tan of 60 degree, which is equal to again opposite upon adjacent. That is equal to, for tan 60 I will take x plus 1.6, and this part will be y. So it will be x plus 1.6 upon y. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. So therefore I will take, and the y, this y will shift here. I will get root 3y is equal to x plus 1.6. Now as we got in the equation over here that x is equal to y, I will substitute here root 3x is equal to x plus 1.6, and therefore root 3 x minus x is equal to 1.6. X I take out common. Root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. Therefore x is equal to 1.6 and upon root 3 minus 1. Fine. Now this is the answer for x, but instead of expressing the answer in this form, I will now rationalize this denominator, which I will do it as in this form, that is 1.6 into root 3 plus 1, and this is root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Yes, x is equal to 1.6 root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1 will be root 3 square minus 1 square, which will give me 2, right? And this I put in the bracket. Now I can cancel this. 1.6 by 2 will give me 0.8. Okay, so the answer is 0.8 root 3 minus 1. Now as I told you that if you want the answer in decimal, you will put the value of root 3 and then multiply with, subtract with 1 and then multiply with 0.8. So that will give the answer for height of the pedestal. Okay, it is clear to you that first we take up the diagram. This is question number 8. A statue which is standing on the top of the pedestal. This is a pedestal. Statue standing on it, that is 1.6 meter tall. Now both these points A and B are making angles 60 degree and 45 degree respectively with a point on the ground. First we'll take up triangle BCD. We get the relation between x and y. Then we take the triangle ACD. We get the relation between the opposite side and the adjacent side, and then we get the answer for x. And here the whole solution, which shows that x is equal to 0.8 root 3 minus 1. And I told you before also, how will we choose whether it is tan or sine? That depends on the question, whether you want, what relation you want, whichever sides you want. Accordingly we will choose tan 45 or sine or cos. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to you. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 9. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. Now obviously you know that the tower and the building both will have some height. Okay, now if I look at the diagram, question number 9, it will be the angle of elevation of the top of the building. Okay, so we will take question number 9 and we take two lines here. Let us take this and this. Building will be taller than a tower, I suppose. Here I take this as AB, this as CD. Okay, coming back to the question, from the top of the building, from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Top of the building to the foot of the tower, this is a tower, so this angle is how much? And the next angle is angle of elevation from the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. This angle is 30 degree. I will join these two points. This is 30 degree, and from this point to the from this point to D will be how much? 60 degree. This is 60 degree, right? Now you have to find out AB, the length of AB. What is the if the tower is 50 meter high, we have to find the height of the building. Okay, so we write here 50 meter, right? Let us take this side to be y, this I take it as x, right? I take triangle A, B, D. I can also start with B, C, D. Okay, so if I take triangle A, B, D, you have to concentrate on the angles, children. triangle ABD is equal to, if I take these two, if I take these two sides, I have to take tan of 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to, it is 50 upon y, right? Now tan 60 is equal to root 3 and 50 upon y. Therefore, I can say that y is equal to 50 upon root 3. I keep it as equation 1. Okay, so this is the tower, this is the building. The angles which are formed from the top of the building to the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle which is from the top of the tower to the foot of the building is 60 degree. And then in the triangle, which one now? B C D. This was ABD, now BCD. Triangle BCD is equal to, again the same, tan of what degree? Tan of 30 degree will give me x upon y, right? Now what is x? X we don't know. Y is equal to how much? 50 upon root 3. Okay? So therefore I will shift now. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is equal to x upon 50 by root 3, right? This 50 by root 3 will shift here, and therefore I will get 50 by root 3 divided by 1 by root 3, which is x, and therefore I will get 50 upon 3 meters, which is the height of the building. I can write this answer in decimals. I can change it and write 50 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 2 0, 3 6 are 18, 2. So answer I can write it as now 16 2 by 3 meters, which is the height of the building. Okay. So children, when you are reading the question, please read it carefully, see what angles are made or formed. Then accordingly you use tan or sine, and then proceed with the solution. Okay. Now complete these two questions in the notebook today. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I will continue the next questions tomorrow. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.